Alright everybody, hello world, I'm Zenit and I think we're about to hack this challenge. Now, if we take a look at... I can't zoom in, oh no. Okay. Anyways, sorry for that, something has been broken on my setup and I don't know what. But what I wanted to tell you is, we have the Tiffany Molina thing, we have the desktop thing in here. Let me actually remove my face. Here we have Tiffany Molina. Here we have users. This should be possible, right? Over here. Yeah, we can zoom. And in this one, we actually have the flag. So this is amazing. We can just copy this flag and submit the user flag. Now let's get this thing out of the way. Submit the flag and let's rate it around, I guess, medium. Yeah, medium is right. But mostly because I have no idea about Windows architecture and things, or not as much as with Linux. Because let's be honest, Linux is just easier. Now, what other files do we have? We have default users, we have documents, downloads. Alright. Now, can we somehow get a shell in here? I think we can. Actually, you know what? Let's take a look at the script. Last time we found the script, and I have no idea what it does. So let's take a quick look at it. Check web server status scheduled to run every 5 minutes. Import module Active Directory for each record in get child item. Microsoft DNS domains where object name like web star. Request invoke web request URI record name use default credentials status code NE blah blah blah. Okay, now impact get SMB exec. Can I execute a shell on this machine is the question that I'm asking myself, because I want to find out what do we need. We need intelligence HTTP slash the name, the name, and here we have a colon instead of this person sign. I mean, what is happening here? Why is everything so weird? Why don't all the tools have the same common structure for the user? I mean, does that make sense to you? Because for me it doesn't really make sense, but alright. Let's add cat target IP and see if we can get a connection with this. Okay, I got a connection for half a second and then it threw me out. No, I'm LSing my stuff. RPC as access denied. Wait, with which tool did we crack it? Crack map exec. Can I use crack map exec to actually crack map exec spawn shell? This may be interesting. Blah 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 blah. VMI exec. Okay, we could. Okay. Let's check out if we have these ports open. 135. Our scan is here. Yeah, 135 is open. Which other port do we need? 445 is also open, and this one. Okay, this is dynamically allocated. And I can only execute one command at a time, it seems. Or can I run something interactive? It doesn't seem... Oh, okay, so here is something... Yeah, I mean, okay, yeah. I can create a reverse shell, of course. Of course. So let's first check out if we actually get access with crack map exec. Here we have the users, which is our dear Tiffany Molina. Crack map exec. And what other commands do we need? Password. What's D? Is D the domain? I mean, let's just try it with this one. X, who am I? Who am I? Okay, what's happening? Is a directory. Do I have to... Is it an uppercase U? I mean, what does the D stand for? Wow, I don't know what these tools do. Man, crack map exec. No manual entry. How am I supposed to find out how to use this thing? Crack map exec TLDR. No docs. I'm lost. Maybe let's just read. Okay, so this looks like... I don't know what's happening here. I'm guessing D is the domain, maybe? If I just crack map exec SMB. Okay, nothing happens. And if I want some help, thank you. All right. So we have... Why does it start at the bottom, you know? So I guess the most important thing come in front. So we have the username, we have the password. And D is the domain. Okay, so let's try that again. But this time, for D, we take the domain, which we have somewhere in our notes, which is this one. So let's grab this, let's paste it in here. And am I doing something wrong? Do I need to put the IP at the end of this command? Probably. So let's remove it from here. And let's go to the end and do the cat target IP over here. Boom. I see what's happening. All these things. It thinks that Tiffany Molina is a directory. Okay, so share contents. Let's just move everything we have downloaded from the shares. I guess that's like the most things. Into the share contents. Move. Yes, fantastic. Okay, now we can try it again. And now it actually did work. Okay, so the plan for next time is to create a reverse shell with the things that we found out today. So see you over there. Bye bye.